also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got another unboxing today. So I did order again from Crystal Art Kit, which is a UK company, and their shipping to me is still very quick. It was only 2 to 3 days, I think, from order to arrival, and that takes into consideration, I think I ordered at a weekend, so very quick. I'm just trying to open up all the sides of the boxes. There we go, trying to get all the sides open. Now, the only thing that was a little bit disappointing before I've even got in this box is I ordered 3 items because I wanted to see what their paintings were like that came on a canvas, what their paintings were like in a frame, and I ordered something else. Now, the day I got the shipping notification, which was actually the day before it turned up, I received a refund from them, which I think is for one of the items in my order. No email, no communication whatsoever, just a refund. That was it. Which to me isn't ideal. If you order, you know, you may have ordered from them with the idea of getting one specific thing in mind and maybe added a couple of other bits to your cart. I don't like it when companies just refund one item and don't send you an email or anything. I very well could have chosen something else or said, actually, I don't want the lot, but hey ho. So I'm only expecting 2 of the items in here, and I've only got 2 of the items in here. So let's get them out. So that's one, and this is the second. So they do package very nice, and their delivery is very quick, but unfortunately I can't show you the frame types that they do because they didn't give me the option to pick something else. So what I did order is they do what they call a crystal art sealer. Now, I've never sealed any of my diamond paintings. It's not necessarily something that particularly interests me to seal. I just find that they stick enough, but I can understand why people want to, so I thought I would give this a go. So apparently it's a transparent, elastic, glossy adhesive, which is ideal for sealing crystal art projects or creating a gloss coating on any finished project. So you take a thin brush and apply a very thin layer over your finished crystal art project. Try to apply the sealer between the crystals, which I'm guessing would cover the adhesive, and leave to dry for at least 5 to 6 hours, and it dries crystal clear. If you do wish to make the sealer thinner, you can mix it with distilled water before applying. So it does say ensure you only apply a very thin layer to retain the sparkle. Always replace the lid, and tools etc. can be cleaned with warm water. So I thought we would give that a go and see how it seals a project at some point. I thought, why not? And then the other one that I ordered is a 30 centimetre. It's not light up, so I wanted to see what their canvases were like that just come, their diamond paintings are like that come on a canvas. I wanted to see if it was something that you could potentially have a light pad on or something like that. Is there anything else in there? No, it's just a piece of card. So that's the box empty. It is a 30 by 30 or 12 inches by 12 inches. It has the step-by-step instructions, very similar to what I got before on a piece of paper, and on the back of the box. So it gives you instructions. So let's have a look what we get with it. So there is the tiger. Now this one to me is mounted on the canvas better than my LED one was. It's more in the middle. Okay, so I'm seeing how it works by just having a nosy. So again, we've got the piece of paper with the instructions in different languages, should you need them. So they have the canvas, clear cover, very sticky, and I did like the stickiness on the other one, but they do put a hard back on it, so you've not got much give. I mean, you've got a little bit of give there, but only as much as a piece of wood would give you. There's going to be no problem with squishiness when you're trying to put on the diamonds, so that's good. It's, I say, it's mounted a lot better, this one. It is very much more central with only a thin, in fact let me see if I can peel that back because you can't even really see it properly, only a thin overlap where there's no diamonds. All round the edges are clear, and then they do actually include the key on the inside that you can then cut off, and they do have DMC numbers on this one, so that's good. They do only seem to do round. I've not seen anything that's not round, but we do have all the DMC numbers, which is great for when you want to put them away. We have the same basic toolkit I got with the LED one. So we've got wax, we've got baggies, which looks like there's enough for one for each colour, 2 basic green trays and 2 diamond painting pens, so that must be their standard toolkit. And then we have the diamonds. Now the packets don't seem to have the DMC numbers, but we do have them on the key on the back, so you've got the option of cutting that off and laying it next to you while you work. But for these you would need an overhead light rather than a light pad. So we have, okay, so I'm having a look. So that is A, which is a very small part here on his nose, and that's it. So I think we've got plenty of those diamonds. Then we do have 3 10s, I think they are. Can't dispute they're 3 10s, quite a few of those. And then we've got some greys. We've got another peachy colour. Which one's this one? E. So that is again on a few of these. And then we have got another colour that goes on here as well. So there's actually 3 colours to make up that. We've got more greys, greys, a lighter grey. We've got a little bit of green for the eyes. We've got more of that colour in his nose. We've got a darker grey, and then we've got a white. So it seems as that, well, is it a white? It's 3865, I think. Yeah. So 3865, which is a little bit of an off-white. So it seems as though most of this is made up of the off-white, and the grey makes up a lot of the background part of it. But I think that's going to turn out stunning. I think that's got quite a few different shades in to give that a little bit of an edge. So I think that's good. How much was it that these cost me actually? That's an idea. Okay. So on the shipping sheet, so this tiger was £18 for a 30 by 30. Say not the cheapest, but it is local. It is already framed. It's ready to hang up on a wall. You don't need to buy anything else. The sealer, oh, I did I get a discount? Yeah, I think I got a 10% discount, so it might be $18.99 for that, potentially. Oh no, it was $19.99. Sorry, I did get a code. If you sign up for an account before you purchase from them, they email you a 10% off code. So it's $19.99, but I paid 18. And then this sealer was, I think this was £6.99, the crystal art sealer. And then I did order something, say, that was a kit that came more of a framed kit. It was a partial, and that would have been £11.99. So all they've done is marked an X and out of stock, and then I have got a sticker. We're sorry to inform you that one or more of your items on your order is out of stock. We have indicated which item by hand above. We have refunded your account for this item. We apologise, and here's how you can know if they're available again. Which, you know, in one sense, I'm not chasing a refund after my items arrived, but I suppose it depends how big a company they are. Craft companies wise tend to be a bit smaller, and I think I would have appreciated a little bit more the option to purchase something else, but hey ho, maybe that's just the way I think. Maybe that's not normal. Maybe it is just normal for them to refund. And as I say, they did refund promptly. They refunded before the order arrived. I wasn't waiting or chasing for a refund. I think it's just disappointing because I personally would have chosen something else. But hey ho. So yeah, it's all round drill. The drills look great, even the black. They do look to be nice quality drills. I like the fact these have got DMC codes. I do like that fact. I think that will make de-kitting a lot easier. And it has 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 colours in this one. So we do have the dreaded 310, but I think that's quite a nice size. It's quite nice to work on something that's going to be done, and I will of course let you know how this turns out, or I'll probably do a video on using it. I just need to pick a painting to do it on that I won't be heartbroken if I do it wrong. Maybe that's how I'm best testing it, and if it works well, then of course I can choose to do it on maybe some of these pieces that are ready to frame. But yeah, I thought I'd let you see what I purchased latest, this nice snow tiger. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.